工委佢哋轉移去揾影子移民部長 Tony Burke， 希望增加對移民部嘅壓力。
These two blokes are in a situation where the Howard government has created victims. They have, and they're two of them.
Burke 話：雖然同情佢哋嘅遭遇，但係作為在野黨就無能為力。不過佢認為問題唔係出喺457簽證上，而係系統嘅漏洞令無良僱主有機可乘。
The 457 visa scheme itself is a scheme we need to have to the extent that we need to have temporary migration. There needs to be a system of temporary migration and temporary work visas. What we don't need is a system where people are paid less than anyone else in the country.
佢又話：外勞受剝削，本地工人同奉公守法嘅僱主亦都會受害。
It's unfair on the worker. It's unfair on other workers who then have to compete for the new low rates. And it's particularly unfair to the vast majority of employers who want to do the right thing, but then have to deal with competitors who are willing to do the wrong thing.
對工委同黃建忠嚟講，而家最幸運㗎就係事件唔單止喺華人社區引起廣泛嘅關注，仲得到工黨同工會嘅支持。呢一日，新州上議員曾少龍同建築、森林、礦業同能源工會新州主席 Peter McClellan 就為佢哋召開記者招待會，呼籲華人社區對兩人伸出援手。
And we are hoping to raise finances through a public appeal to find better accommodation for them, and secondly, to provide ongoing support for their family and loved ones back in China.
McClellan 仲話曾經要求見移民部長 Kevin Andrews， 但係就遭到拒絕。佢話希望社會嘅壓力能夠令 Andrews 改變取消2人簽證嘅決定。事情發展到依家，工委同黃建忠可以做嘅就只有等待。2人目前由工會收留，食宿嘅問題暫時得到解決。佢哋話班辛苦工作1年嘅血汗錢。
我們就是想要討個公道，討回我們的血汗錢。我給你打工，你給我錢，是天經地義的。為什麼要逼到我們2個人無路可走呢？逼到我們要留守街頭呢？你老闆作為一個自己中國人的良心，你自己想一想。
目前喺澳洲持457簽證嘅勞工多達10萬人。呢個簽證嘅原意本嚟係為咗填補本地缺乏嘅技術勞工，不過就成為一啲無良僱主剝削外勞嘅工具。
中方街舊年曾經到過墨爾本採訪過2個被僱主無理解僱嘅中國勞工㗎，佢哋嘅共通點就係英文唔係咁好，同埋為咗出國不惜籌借巨款支付俾移民代理㗎，最後錢又賺唔到，仲要負債添啊！
各位街坊，你哋對工委同黃建忠嘅遭遇又有啲乜嘢睇法呢？歡迎喺網上留言。再見。